Good morning everyone. I am Navneet Kumar, the captain of my team, and we are here to discuss about or debate about co-education. And this debate is being conducted by our respected English teacher, Shri Vishal Srivastav sir. I am Navneet Kumar, and he is Akshat Gupta, the captain of his team. And now we are going to debate on co-education.
Education, co-education has many positive points like if we do boys and girls take co-education, then they do not feel hesitation to talk each other.
But could you elaborate about co-education's positive effects? Because I have many negative effects about that. If we are talking about hesitation or another opportunity, then we can share or we can achieve that through only separate education systems. If we are talking about hesitation, then by discussing or by talking about that particular topic being in a group, then you can also develop your no hesitating quality.
But many times boys and girls have different mindset, and if any person did or not know, then girl can tell him. But many times girl did not know, then boy can tell the person.
Why can't we? Sure. But if we are talking about that, you discussed that if a boy didn't know that answer, then a girl would answer him. But why are teachers for? And why are this whole education system is for? And we also have our phone or mobile phone, and we also have whole internet. We can search that and search about that particular topic or gain knowledge about that. Why we have to go other sex or other gender?
But when boy and girl sit in one environment, then they increase their communicating skill. They can talk to each other freely, and very time they feel hesitation to talk each other outside also.
But many people like to live alone.
And if we are talking about, you said about hesitation or fear, but why are siblings for? And why we have brothers and sisters? We can talk to them and discuss their own problem, and it will live in their domain alone, and it would do not share the things by my.
If we are study in boys and girls and let's stop.
There is a lot of benefit of co-education. First of all, if we see girl or talk with girl, we will hesitate. But if there is co-education, we have confidence and build confidence to talk with girl or conversation with girl, then we will not hesitate.
But students get in relationship and in less age at 14 or 15-year-old, 9th and 10th class. So this is also a major problem that they take with themselves also.
This is there is a chapter in it we will study the reach of the age of adolescence. It is a age of adolescence. When we reach, we will attract with opposite gender. It is a scientific or
Can't we control that side effects, or can't we control that whole our attraction?
we can
Because
control we can control our attraction or by
how if I will leave you in a room full of girls, you would definitely attract.
yes.
Yes.
But there is no
Yes.
yes, but the whole class is not full of girls. There is a lot of boys.
Then why are you saying that? I have noticed that you are only sticking to that, developing your personality, developing your speaking skills, or reducing your introvert quality. But I am a boy and I am studying in separate education system. I don't have that fear and I don't have that introvert quality. When I am with my friends, I also have my extrovert side.
But there is
But girls and boys have ego to talk each other. But when we will study together in co-education system, we will not talk with each other with the ego. We will talk freely.
Don't you have siblings? don't you talk to your brothers and sisters because they are just sisters, or because they are
We
just
have
girls?
from the blood relation from them. We are talking to them from childhood. Then we can talk freely from them.
Don't you talk to your aunt
There are,
or
there are different we talk with sister or a girl on the road or on anywhere.
you are only talking about talking?
Yes.
I- yes.
Or building
Building confidence.
confidence or to converse with.
But we cannot maintain our private
privacy.
privacy.
But this is their mistake or problem. But we can maintain our privacy or.
Don't you
And
think
they-
that
But
don't-
how? But how? How we can maintain our privacy?
By ignoring or there are the use of
if you have to ignore girls, then why are you studying in
I am not telling to ignore girls. I am telling that build confidence or to converse with girls.
Don't you think that
That's the problem.
And when you study together, you you disattract with your studies and all.
So if we go in a corporate job or anywhere, so there is a girl so we leave the job.
don't you think co-education
Many
also
times
separate?
girls and many times when girls and boys do not take co-education and you burst into by mistake by put hand on the girl, then girl will feel uncomfortable and she will think very wrong thing about the boy.
Okay. Don't you think that the one you that said your hand on their shoulder? Don't you think
Privacy.
that privacy? Don't you think that co-education supports this? Because I have seen that co-education also supports crime. It leads crime to talk to girl, and it would also hurt their privacy. If you are talking about whole world, then you would definitely see that co-education also supports
Everyone has
crime.
not same mentality, but everyone does not have same mentality. But if some people has a bad mentality, so they can increase the crime rate with girls. Or
I am saying that suppose that you like the girl and you went to propose her, but she rejected, and then you would rage, then you would up to rage and filled with rage and anger, and you would want to revenge with her.
No, I have no revenge for.
Then why?
But we are the student of Saraswati Shishu Mandir.
You are commander of your school, and when you went outside of your school, don't you think that many girls and boys have caught red-handed? You are commander, and don't you think that